Hi friends, this is Arvind from My Investment. Today we talk about intraday trading. Why people are not able to successful in a day trading. Let's we talk and few think about in my personal experience what the problem people have. The three thing for be a great intraday trader. The first, the knowledge, patience, and a discipline. Knowledge. You have to knowledge of a market up to when, how to trade, when to trade. The patience is the required to find a stock to trade. A discipline is required to execute the trade. Let's go deep in this. Why people are not succeed in a day trading? Why people are not able to succeed in a day trading? These are the few things with my experience I have trade without a plan. People don't have a plan. How to trade in a day trading or an investment or any other trading they have. Trade without any tool. They don't have any tool, something like a technical, fundamental. So they don't know how to use that tool. We talk later on this. Trade without a stop loss. This is the most common thing that the people buy at the opening of the market, whether they buy or sell. If the stock goes in his favor, he book the profit, and if it's not go, then he wait till the 3:30 and he pray that stock goes in his moment in his favor and it not and do there occur with big losses. Trade all days in a week or over trading. The people they want to trade each and every day, no matter what, they have to trade and it become a over trading. And what happen over that when you trade too much, something about 20, 25 trade a day, you're not able to manage that much of trading and finally you end up with a loss on this buy on a high and sell on a bottom and this trade only momentum of the market. These both are the connected. When some news is coming in the stock that its profit is good or some government news come and stock has benefit of that news, the stock went up with a price and a momentum up, and some people saw that and we bought that price. After that, when we bought, it's come down, and we do not have a stop loss, so we carry that stock end of the market and we lose. And the same way whether we buy or sell. One of the greatest mistake of the trader can do, intraday trader, unsuccessful trader can do is book small profit and let the loss run. As I tell you early, trade on a morning. If it's in the profit or the small 1 or 2 rupee profit he book, and if it's loss of 5 rupees, he let that profit run. For the successful, we need to exact opposite. All the great trader you can listen or you can read in internet that cut your losses in small and let the profit run. Let your profit run for the bigger. But for successful in a trading or in the stock market, your loss always small and let the profit big. If you're making a big profit 3 times and 7 times a small losses, your big profit give you your money. Then don't have a patience and a discipline. As we talked earlier, that patience and a discipline. Let's go above in that. One of the great reason that people lose money, after that losing the money in the market, without knowing the market, don't knowledge, patience, tool, they blame the market. The simple thing I heard about, and all of you heard that when I buy this stock, it starts falling. When I sell this stock, it's go up. It's not the market blame, it's our blame. We need to have a capacity to take that blame on our hand. Let's go in it. How to do a trade plan. How to make a trading plan. Never, the first thing is never trade without a stop loss. The moment you execute the trade, whether you buy or sell, at the same time you have to put the stop loss also. This is the first thing you need to do. The second is trade after 9:30 or 9:50. For the new trader or amateur trader, they need to wait for 10, 15 or 30 minutes for the market to let the market settle. What happens when the market is open? The professional trader or a big trader always this square of their previous day position. If we stuck around that their position, we lost a big on in first 10 to 5 minutes, and we covered that losses into the profit for entire there, and we go into the over trading, and we come our end of the day is loss. The third is risk and reward ratio. What should be my risk and reward ratio? Let's take an example. If I want to buy a stock which is 100 rupees, if I say it's go 99, if I'm ready to take a 1 rupee risk, if it's going to 99, I'm okay. So at least I need to have a 2 rupee of profit. So when I buy at 100, if I take 1 rupee risk, then the profit should be at least 102. The third is the maximum trade per day or a week or a month. We have to decide how much trade we need to do in a day or a month or a week. Suppose let's say so if I say I trade a 3 trade per day. In this 3 trade, if I make a loss, I stop. If I make a profit, I stop. After that 3 trade, I'm not going to trade. My day is over after these 3 trade. How much loss or risk I can manage? Let's take another example is about it's suppose we see in the 100 rupee stock, if it's go below, then it's up to 98. So 2 rupees of loss. So how much share I need to buy? Suppose I'm ready to take a 1,000 rupees risk in a one trade. So I can buy at least a 500 share of that stock. So if it's not going in my favor, the maximum I lost is a 1,000 rupees. Or one have to decide how much loss they can manage in per trade. Suppose one need to have say 500 rupees a per trade I can manage. In overall day I can manage a 2,000 rupees. So he can trade 4 trade per day. Even all 4 trade go wrong and the maximum amount he lose is somewhere around a 2,000 rupees. So always trader need to know how much money he can lose in a day. And one good thing about this is when to buy, when to sell, or when to away for the market. For this, we need to go some ideas about a technical or a fundamental. We need to know when to buy this stock or when to sell or when away from the market. It is also important. Do not trade. It's also we make save our money. Some days in the market where you no need to trade, something like an election coming or RBI policy or some big news are to reveal. So no need to trade on that day because there are so much volatility over there. So it's a possible that when we are trade, our stop loss going to be hit quite frequent. So at this kind of market, we are not going to trade. Okay, let's go on. Tool for the trading. How much tool we need to trade? We are talk about the we need a tool. We need to know when to buy, when to sell, whenever the money. This four thing can help us. The fundamental, if you know the balance, if one can know how to read the balance sheet, then it's a fundamental is a very good for trading. The second is a technical. Now almost all the broker nowadays are provide a technical analysis software. So we need to learn that. News based. Every day we saw the news channels, business news channels are giving some news that this broker house recommend this stock have this much profit or this. So on based on this news we can trade. Or some of the most common thing is buy a tip service or a broker service. So this is thing we can trade.